Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. It's been a month that I have not done the videos regularly. It's because I'm really very busy in both my professional as well as the political things, which I struck with a lot of work. So the reason I am invested, but I'm not able to do the videos on a regular basis. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about the company which has a very strong potential growth, and the company which we are going to discuss today is Dhampur Bio Organics Limited. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned both the technical analysis, which includes the trend line as well as the strong support on the resistance line and the chart pattern. I have done a detailed analysis of both the fundamental as well as the technical analysis of this company, and I see that this stock has a very strong potential growth in future, which is going to be at least more than 200 rupees within very short span of time, which is going to be in 3 months of time. Currently this stock is exactly trading at 150.65 rupees. I have invested heavily in this stock exactly at 150 rupees, and I want to share the both technical as well as the in-depth the fundamental analysis, so that you could able to have a clear understanding on this company, where exactly that you need to enter, how long that you need to travel, and how much are the profits which you are going to gain in return within a very short span of time. I have done a detailed fundamental analysis by analyzing the P/E ratio, P/B ratio, earnings per share, and the quarterly as well as an annual results from the past 5 years. I see that this stock has a very tremendous growth when we compare it from the past 3 years, when we compare it with the earnings per share ratio as well as the quarterly results as on the net profit. I'm going to provide you the detailed fundamental description link in the same video. So I want all of our fellow investors to go through and understand the very strong fundamentals of this company, which includes the shareholding patterns. If you have any concern, please put a comment so that I will review and I will let you know the exact details on that. In this video, we are going to do the deep dive technical analysis of this Dhampur Bio Organics Limited. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the trend line. This stock is continuously in a downtrend line from almost like at the price of 230 rupees until 113 rupees. If you see the chart over here, this stock was continuously in a downtrend line, which is where the heavy selling was happening in this company. Currently this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this very strong downtrend line, and currently this stock is exactly consolidating with a heavy buying pressure. I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate a little bit more until at this price, which is going to be over here, and then will bounce back towards into this zone, which is going to be 190 rupees to 193 rupees. I'm sure that this stock is going to give us a huge returns within a very short span of time, which is going to be less than 3 months as per my in-depth technical analysis. If you see this chart over here, this chart is a daily chart for Dhampur Bio Organics Limited. You could able to see it clearly that this stock was heavily fallen from December 2022 until last week. This, if you see this chart over here, this is where a very strong technical pattern, which is nothing but a double bottom pattern. This stock has tried to hit this very strong support line. This is a very strong support line, which is where the more number of buyers are waiting to buy this stock exactly at 113 rupees. Once after the heavy downfall, this stock has came back exactly to the very strong support line and bounced back towards again into the downtrend line. Once after this stock has hit this downtrend line, again this stock has moved from downtrend line again towards into the very strong support zone. This is where the pattern has formed, and this pattern is nothing but a double bottom pattern, which is one of the best in the technical analysis. Once after this stock has hit the double bottom pattern, which is where you see that this stock has hit this bottom twice, which is nothing but a double bottom. Once after this tremendous pattern has formed, this stock has bounced back towards into a positive side with a heavy buying candles and with a heavy buying zone. Once after this stock has given a heavy breakout by breaking this very strong downtrend line, which is exactly over here with a volume of almost like 2 million volume in one day. This volume has never been happened into this company. If you compare these volumes over here, which is exactly here this volume which you are seeing on my screen is one of the best in this company which has never been happened, and this volume is which is almost like more than 2 million volume in one day, and this volume is one of the highest in this company ever been. So once after this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this very strong downtrend line with a heavy green candle by having a very huge volume. Currently this stock is exactly consolidating just above this downtrend line. This consolidation is nothing but a profit booking, so I'm sure that this stock is going to go and consolidate little bit more further down until this price and will bounce back towards into a positive side and will reach exactly the 200 rupees price within very short span of time, which is going to be less than 3 months. This stock is very strong in fundamental, and this stock has a very strong revenue growth on a quarterly basis as well as on a yearly basis. So I'm sure that this stock has both very strong in fundamental, and the technicals are very strong supportive when it comes into the buying zone as well as the volume. Once after this heavy volume, this stock is currently consolidating over here, which is going to go and give you a huge breakout, which is going to be at least 200 rupees within a very short span of time. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price, which is going to be in between 145 rupees to 150 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 200 rupees. The target 2 is going to be 230 rupees within a very short span of time, which is going to be less than 3 months of time. I have bought this stock exactly at 150 rupees, and I am just waiting that this stock is going to go and reverse to a positive side. So my target 1 is going to be 200 rupees and the target 2 is going to be at least 230 rupees. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price to gain more in profits from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request all our fellow investors, please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I post the videos on the breakout stocks as well as the value investing stocks. As you know that I do a deep dive technical as well as the fundamental analysis, and I will try to post those videos as soon as possible when I see a huge breakout which is going to be happen in those companies, and I will myself invest in those companies as well. Thank you very much again. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.